Hi, Philip Griffith here, and now we're down to 5 weeks till Christmas. And as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you consider digitizing some of your obsolete technology. Slides, video cassettes, 8mm film, and even those printed photos that were film and way before your digital age. Because let's face it, do you have the projector to show the 8mm film? Do you still have a VCR? Maybe, more likely, but how long will that work? And even if that, do you still have a projector that you can look at the slides? And these were very common media back in the day, and you probably have lots of all three of these, as well as your printed photos that you want to bring forward into the digital age. And starting with the most at risk would be your videotapes, surprisingly enough. So consider what you might want to digitize and give as a gift to your family this holiday season, so that your photos can tell your stories so that they'll last for generations.